Since we're full, do you want to rest at the bench a little bit?
That's fine. I'm so tired. I want to eat something sweet and delicious. Do you agree with me?
I'm really not in the mood for sweets.
Yeah, I don't care. I want to eat ice cream right this second.
Are you telling me to go buy it to the store next time?
That's right. You know me better than anyone else. Oh, and also buy some ingredients for dinner too.
I don't have that much money.
Think smart. You can do it.
Alright.
Oh, and June, hurry up.
Oh my gosh, I don't have any money left. But I have these ingredients. I can make it. Let's make it.
Here are the things you need. 150 milliliters of milk, 70 milliliters of whipped cream, 40 grams of sugar, 100 grams of salt, 1 egg yolk, some vanilla essence, some ice, 1 aluminum can, 1 pet bottle, a towel, rubber band, duct tape, cutter, and work gloves. Step 1. Cut. Prepare a PET bottle that's bigger than 1.5 liters. Cut 1/3 of the top of the bottle with a cutter. Step 2. Combine.
Put sugar into the aluminum can. At this time, using the lid of the bottle makes it easier to put it in. Then add the egg yolk with the sugar.
Step 3. Shake. Shake the aluminum can for about 10 seconds.
Step 4. Pour. Pour milk into the can you just shaked and shake for 10 more seconds.
Step 5. Combine. Put some ice into the PET bottle and sprinkle some salt.
Step 6. Repeat. Repeat step 5 until you run out of salt.
Step 7. Connect. Connect the lid and the body of the bottle with duct tape very tightly. Be sure to do it carefully or you'll get all wet.
Step 8. Secure. Cover with a towel and secure using rubber.
Step 9. Roll. Roll the bottle sideways for about 30 minutes.
Step 10. Check. Take the can out and check to see that it's frozen. If it's not frozen yet, roll for 15 more minutes. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. But you're too late. I couldn't wait.
What a naughty girl.